guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username in TikTok. So let's open TikTok. Now at the bottom right corner you can see your profile button. Tap there where it's written me. Now you are in your profile, click on edit profile. This page you can see your username and nickname. The first one is nickname and the second one is username. Click on the second one. So your username is your unique identity on TikTok. Once you change it, you won't be able to change it again within 13 days. So choose wisely, and once you are done, click on got it. Change your username and click save on the top. It's written on the red. So that's it guys. Likewise you can change your username in TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.